My brother Oscar here asked me to give him a hand real quick. Got this big Yukon. Amazing, he's doing the Cadillac taillight conversion. We already did this one. So we're gonna go ahead and do this one here real quick. So step one is you take this one screw out and then you gotta pry this cover off. In order to do that, you're gonna pull back on the weather strip here. Now, I don't have a trim tool, so I created my own. This is steel, but I just masked it up, not to damage the paint. And then here, just to let ourselves be led, right, by the original piece here. So right around here is gonna be a clip. So let's go ahead and do that. Oscar, you
have the camera.
You got the camera. There you go. All right. Same thing with this one.
It's a little more simple. It just has 2 clips.
Softly. Let me see. Go ahead.
Look at this way.
Yep. Pass way.
Make sure I got all of them out. Slide it right out.
All right.
There's actually 3 clips on the bottom.
3. And then now we're gonna take out T15 heads there. There's 5 of them. All right, and then when you pull it out, all you gotta do is basically just come straight out with it. You don't wanna be too hard on it, but just hard enough. There you go. All right. So you see, 1, 2. That's what holds these in. It's like a bucket for it, and then these are the actual screws. So make sure you clean this. Now let's go ahead and take this cable out. So the reason it's good to do this is have someone pull on it, so while you look in the bottom, you know exactly what you're pulling out. All right. So this is the actual plug that you have to remove, and it has a safety. So you're gonna go ahead and this here. You're gonna go ahead and push this down and then pull back. So I'm not gonna be able to record that because I need both my hands to do it, but that's how you do it. So push down on the tab and then pull out here. And this is underneath the car. All right, so this is the cable and this you wanna separate. All right, go ahead, pull it up.
There we go.
Up. So now all the screws are in. Let's go ahead.
This one has to slide in like this.
Yeah, you gotta spin it.
This was a little trickier.
Yeah, put this out the way. Put this back in.
Yeah, this
Down. Alright, look, it has to overlap. Just one screw up there, and then just putting the weather strip back on. Yeah. And that's all she wrote. All right, there we go. So secured it there and over there, and that holds it nice in place. Let's go ahead and let's turn it on and make sure everything works. So the issue was the brake lights. Hit the brakes. All right, put the lights on. Lights on. All right, right turn signal. Your other right. Left. Hazards. Reverse brake light. Reverse. There you go. And we'll call that a win. You have any questions? Feel free to message me. Till next time.